So hello everyone, welcome back to your own YouTube channel Mathematics with Hunar. Today we are going to start exercise 2.2 question number 1. And in the last of the video you will given two questions which you have to do yourself and you have to tell the answer in the comment section. Now let's start. Our question first is find the zeros and verify relationship between the zeros and coefficients. This we have already done in our introduction part. Now we have to discuss only the sums. Question first. X square minus 2x minus 8. You have to split the middle term 2x. How you will split it? आपको कैसे split करनी होती है ये कि जो इसका sum आए that will be minus 2x and the product will be minus 8x square. It means first and third sum का product and second sum. So it will be minus 4x plus 2x. X square minus 4x we will take common x, then x minus 4. From there we will take 2 x minus 4. These are two factors. ये हमारे होंगे two factors. From this we will put x plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. From there we will get our two zeros, that is minus 2 and 4. Now we will show relationship. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros we know minus b by a. From the question you will know that what is your a. Your a will be 1, b will be minus 2 and c will be minus 8. From the question you can write it. Sum of zeros will be minus b by a. B is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square. Sum of zeros is minus 2 plus 4 and b is your 2 and a is your 1. From this 2 equal to and product c by a. Product minus 2 into 4 that is minus 8 and c is your minus 8, a is your 1, minus 8 minus 8. Hence it is verified. Part 2. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. We will split the middle term as 4s square minus 2s plus 1. Now from there we will take common as 2s. In this 2s remain left, at there 1 remain left. From there we have choice that we can come out 1 outside or minus 1. But आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जो ये ब्रैकेट में हम लिखते हैं ये सेम होना चाहिए. If you put 1 outside then in the bracket it will come minus 2s plus 1. If you take 1 outside then it will come minus 2s plus 1 which will not match with this. So you will write 2s minus 1 in the bracket and minus 1 we will take common and after that we can multiply and check that minus 1 into 2s minus 2s and minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Our answer will be same. Now 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1 ये आपको पता है कैसे लेते हैं. अब आपको पता है ये क्या हमारे factors. ये क्या हमारे factors. 2s minus 1 we will put equal to 0. From there 2s equal 1 and s equal 1 by 2. Both factors will be same. Now we will check the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Sum equals minus b by a. As you know very well, your a is 4, b is minus 4 and c is 1. You have to check that. Sum 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 that will equals to minus b. What is your b? Minus 4. Minus of minus 4, a is your 4. You will take LCM 2, 1 plus 1 equals minus minus plus minus minus plus 4 by 4. 2 here 2 by 2 here 4 by 4. Both will reach up to 1. 1 equal 1. And product will be c by a. Product 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 and c by a. c is your 1 and a is your 4. So 1 by 4 equal 1 by 4. Hence it is verified. Now third part. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Firstly, you will write it in standard form. It is standard form of writing it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here we will write it in standard form, that is 6x square minus 7x minus 3. From this we will split the middle term as minus 9x plus 2x, so that if we will plus it, it will reach minus 7x, and if we will multiply it, then it will reach minus of 18x square, which is equal to 6 3 is 18x square and minus. एंड आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि माइनस किसी के साथ भी ले सकते थे, बट वी हैव टेकन 9x minus with 9x because we want our answer in minus, and the minus, which number is larger, we will put minus with that, because in our answer we need minus. From this we will take common, 3x will be common from that bracket, 2x minus 3 plus 1. From there we will simply write 2x minus 3. If it will there minus 2x plus 3, then we will take minus 1 from there, so that our brackets will be same. Now 3x plus 1, from there 2x minus 3. Same factors are 2x minus 3 equals 0. From there 2x equal 3 and x equal 3 by 2. And samely 3x plus 1 equal minus 1 by 3. Now we will check relationship. Sum equal minus b by a. From that you can write a equals 6. Now you have to see there, not there, because from there you will write b equal minus 3, but b is minus 7. You have to look carefully. C minus 3. Okay. Now you can easily do sum. Minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2 equals minus b by a, minus of minus 7 upon 6. From that 7 by 6 equals 7 by 6. And samely product minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2, that is minus 3 by 6 equals C minus 3 by and a 6. It will reach minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, hence verified. Now fourth part. Fourth part is your very easy part. 4u square plus 8u. Here constant, it means C is your 0. From this it is very simple. You will take common. From there 4u will come common, and there will u left and 2. And you will put these two factors equal 0. 4u equals 0 and u plus 2 equals 0. From there u equals 0 and u equals minus 2. And you will find relationship sum equals minus b by a. Sum will be 0 plus minus 2. From product minus 8 by 4, it will reach minus 2 equal minus 2. Product equals 0 as your u is 0 and second one is minus 2 zeros, equals c equals 0 by a equal 4, that will reach 0 equals 0. You can also write there a equals 4, b equals 8 and c equal 0. That's why we put 0 here. Okay, because c is not there. Now fifth part. In this you have to think that t square minus 50. Now you can't do anything. One thing is that you can put t square minus 15 equals 0. From that you will reach up to the answer. And second method, you can write 15 as root 15 square. From this you will solve this identity, you know very well. A square minus b square equals a plus b, a minus b. And this is a square minus b square. From that t minus root 15, t plus root 15, and t will reach plus root 15 minus root 15. And second method you can do that, t square minus 15 equals 0. From that you can write t square 15 t equals root 15. And when we write it in root, then we will make plus and minus. Second method is this, which you will think easy, you can do. Relationship. Sum equals minus b by a. As you know, your a is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 15. So sum equal root 15 minus root 15, b 0 upon 1, 0 equals 0, product equals minus 15 minus 15, hence verified. Now one part is left, let's discuss. Now let's discuss sixth part. 3x square minus x minus 4. We will split out the middle term as 4 3s are 12. So multiply करे तो 12 आना चाहिए, but plus करे तो minus x, it means minus 1 आना चाहिए. Okay, we will split out it middle as we get minus 4x plus 3x. So from that our equation will be that, and we will solve it. From this x will be common, 3x remain left, from there minus 4, and from this plus 1, 3x minus 4. If it is minus 3x plus 4, then minus 1 will come outside, minus 1 outside aata, and interior will reach 3x minus 4. Clear? From that your zeros will be x equal minus 1 and x equal 4 by 3, and we will do relationship as sum equal minus b by a. Now b and a, so a will be your 3 B is your -1, C is your -4. So B minus of -1 by 3 and zeros are -1 plus 4 by 3. From this we will take LCM as 3 upon 1. 3 ones are 3. You know about taking the LCM as -3 plus 4 equals 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 equal 1 by 3. Similarly, product equals C by A. -1 into 4 by 3 equal -4 by 3. From that -4 by 3 -4 by 3. Hence verified. So ये आपका verify हो. Now I am giving you two sums to do yourself. This exercise is very important according to Boyd point of view, as one question will sure come from this exercise. So you should do it carefully and try these sums, as they will be very beneficial for you. Its answers will be given to you in the next upcoming video. So you must try these two questions. First one is, if alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then find value of alpha square plus beta square. And second one, if 1 0 of quadratic polynomial k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1 is 3, find value of k. So it is all for today. Thank you. Please like, share, and if you have any query, then you can comment below. Thank you.